The Rubik's Cube. A wonderful thing. Would you dare to solve it? YouTube, I'm here again for a long time, for a really long time. Now it's almost time for summer, so before summer I have to upload something. The reason I was not in some of those past months actually is because I have to focus on my studies, obviously. So for this new video, I'm going to teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So, before that, let's give it a good scramble. Okay, wait, one last touch. So, as you can see guys, it is all scrambled. So, before that, I'm going to tell you I am not a pro cuber, okay? I know how to solve a Rubik's Cube, but I am not a pro cuber. So, some of the terms I'm going to use here is probably like something like right up or something. I don't know like those prime things, and then those, yeah. All I know is right up, like down left, bottom left or something, and then back right or something like this or something. I don't know how to classify it, but yeah. Some of the tutorial here is not the same as those pro cuber ones. So beware. Beware. So let's start off with part 1. Okay, first part is solving any kind of side that you want. For example, the blue side. This is not a pro cuber tutorial, so yeah. For this tutorial, I'm going to add as much blue to this side as possible. So here, I'm going to show you. So I'm going to do here, boom, I added more blue to it. There. You just have to play around with the odds if there is a lot of blue. So after that, you have to put the blue in here and here, because these are the ones that are not blue. Gets? Okay. For example, this, I'm here. I'm bad at locating in front of the camera, but here, you have to put it in, let's say, this side. So what you want to do is to lift it up and then put that there. Boom. You have added this, this piece in the blue face. Boom. You can see it is right here. Next, this one. So right now, as you can see, this one, this is the blue side that we want to put here. So let's just rotate it like this. the back part, because this is the only spot where it can fit. This is the only spot it can fit. Because now, watch. As I turn, boom. This is the first step. Solving a side of your choice. See? Okay, step 2 is this layer. The one I'm moving here is the first layer. This is the next part that we will solve. So, let's do it. Okay. The face, done. Now, the first layer. As you can see, here, there is a lot, there are 2 yellows. So, let's put a yellow side, a yellow center here. So, there. Yellow center is here. Now, since we want to fill up this with a yellow, we have to find a blue from here where we can replace into here. In this case, this one. So what we want to do is bring it down and then just move it. Sorry. There. Yeah, move it. Now it's here. It's yellow. So we have to put it into the yellow side here. Let's align it to the yellow side, since the yellow centerpiece is right here. So what we want to do is move it this direction, down, put it here. Now the yellow is in its spot. See? Yellow side completed. Now let's check on this piece again. It's orange. So let's put it in the orange side now. Let's find it. Ooh, it's right here because the orange centerpiece is here. So, again, move it here, bring it down, and then back. Easy as that. And then again, it's completed. And then once more, find another blue piece, and then if you can see, blue piece is pink. Wow, pink. So let's put it where the pink side is. So let's put it like there, right for now. Ooh, pink side is about here. So we have aligned it now. Again, bring it there, and then bring it down. Boom. Replace it once more. So last one is this blue piece for the white one. So we're going to go to the white area, just here. This one. So it's here again. Move it like that. Put this to the bottom and put it back. And boom. As you can see, top layer is done. Since the video is kind of getting already long, I'm gonna put the second layer for another video. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to see part 2, wait for it. So see you guys in the next video. Woo! Lightning! Yeah! Make sure to subscribe and like this video and turn on the notifications so that you'll never miss out on another Lightning Tom 32 video. Come on! Like, subscribe, everybody! Woo!